Welcome to our line, the large line. A little over a week ago, we started the septic system installation by a professional company. They managed to do the entire job in less than a week. Because we wanted to add an addition to the house, we made the system bigger for a minimum of 4 bedrooms. Because ours is a dosed system, we had to use 2 septic tanks, one of 1500 gallons and one of 500 gallons. The smaller tank has a pump to reverse everything in a septic field. One of the 4 lines we have for the septic system. The other 2 are buried already. Because we open up all this field, it's about 100 by 40, this field, or maybe more than 40. Later on we're gonna have a greenhouse right there, because the sun is coming from my back behind the camera, and we're gonna have a lot of sun for our greenhouse. That's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that one is the 4th one right here. And these are the branches for the septic field. There are a total of 4, and they already covered the main line. We started the system work really late, and they were keeping their eyes on the weather, because if the ground will be too wet, they will not be able to work with the excavator. Anyway, even though it was cold, everything went fine, and we have our system in the ground. These are the ends of the septic lines. 3 and 4. As I mentioned, our septic field is made of 4 lines. Each of them are 7 feet apart and made with pipes of 1.5 inches in diameter, of 82.5 feet long, and drain holes every 5 feet. This is actually the last part of the project, when they start covering up everything except for what the inspector have to see. Today we're testing our septic system, and I hope we're going to pass the inspection, because we're gonna have an inspection. And there we go. We have a working septic system. That's the proof. Yes, we have a working system. The inspector came over, he said everything is good, yet we are not ready to close everything off because the pressure was not exactly what he wanted. It was kind of low, and that means we need a bigger pump, the biggest possible. Even though they're covering everything up except for the ends, we're waiting on a new pump, and we're gonna redo the test again at that time. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Please share, subscribe, and see us next time.